What's up, guys? I'm back also on a video for us today. And this video is gonna be in their figure review video. And if you guys like are Halo fans, then you're definitely gonna love this one. So I think like a year ago, Halo figures have been popping up all across the stores in Michigan, and I've been collecting them. I just haven't really done any videos on them because I keep forgetting to. But other than that, and this one I just got today. I've been looking for this dude for a while now, and I can find him some places now. So this is Emile 8239. I've been looking for, he's from Halo, the Halo video game. I've been looking for him for at least, like, I'd say almost a year now. He's actually really hard to find because of how rare the figure is. Let's see. I have literally almost every Halo figure. See, I got him a couple days ago from the same wave. So, yeah, that's pretty cool too. So, see, like, what I love about this figure is the rifle that comes with. This suit, I love this suit. I've always been in love with this suit forever. And then now I need to get these three from the wave. I don't know about this one. I don't know if that's Master Chief and from the Halo Wars one. No, it's not. Okay. But I actually do want to get like a really cool like Halo movie going too as well. So let's just open her up. Like for me, I've been always a big Halo fan. I think that Halo deserved way more than it is, because being like such a big, huge video game franchise, I think it would be really cool if they did actually release a live action series of Halo, and they actually did, because I watched the teaser for it, and it looks really cool too, guys. If you guys want to check that out, and the link is in the description of the bio. So, look at dudes. And last long. Okay, cool. This dude, I've been wanting this dude for a while now, since I've seen him in the stores, and I'm online, and online too. So he's even better in person. The details on this thing is freaking amazing. So, this is the first one that's come with the zip tie thing. The ones that really come with the zip tie as much. I do gotta admit, the shotgun's probably my favorite part of the figure. So yeah, that's pretty cool though. Comes with an extra knife as well. I don't know where that would go, but it's a pretty dope figure, dude, with that. Oh, he feels actually pretty bulky, thick. In person, I do admit that. I just can't get how like custom made this dude is. Like this dude's literally down to single detail. Like Hasbro's done a good job of these dudes. Everyone actually. They used to do horrible on the especially on the head sculpts and everything. Like he's actually pretty, but they've been doing a lot better for the last couple of years. They've been, you know, doing a lot better. Shotgun is. I think, no. Okay. Maybe? I'm not sure. Yep. Right, maybe. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna. I know. Hold on. Oh, I think I know where. Okay, I know where it goes. Okay, I don't know. That would suck if I just lose this little teeny tiny part right here, see? Let's guess it's the hold, I guess. Let's see what this is. Okay, here we go. See it now, see it, I think it's, yeah. Gonna fit some of these holders right here. I'm not sure, I'm not very sure where it goes. Let me show it. But yeah, anyways, guys, like, sorry. Yeah, I've been wanting to create like a Halo movie for a while now. Which is that I haven't got really like enough like figures for the movie as well as as I wanted to. I just like slowly collect them over the past couple weeks as well. But I'm gonna like start collecting all this other stuff too as well. Oh, there's I don't know. There's like lots of holes where this guy could put his weapon, but doesn't look like any on here I can think of. I don't know. Like it says right. Like see, you see the back right there? The hole in the middle. I don't know if it's shotgun or not. It's hard to actually understand. Like get the gun in there. I don't know, man, but it's kind of hard actually, guys. Is where the knife holds or what? But yeah, guys. So let's just get them posed up. Alright, guys, so we got them all posed up and everything. The biggest, like, annoying thing about these Halo figures is that there's like a hole here, right in his arm, and like a hole in the back of his suit. But you can't really put anything in there unless it's the knife right here. But even that you can't really put in there because it sucks. This is probably the biggest thing that annoys me about these Halo figures. That it sucks ass. That you have like 2 holes. Oh shit. You have 2 holes, but you can't really put anything in there. But other than that, it's a really good figure. I love the details. I love that they literally have the exact same. In there about it too as well. Alright, guys, so this is it for today's review. I hope you guys do like it very much. And actually, the rest of the Halo figures are in that box right there. Yeah, it's in the box until I can put on the shelf over there. And she's a little thing right there too. That's also a Halo set too, a little Halo set, like a Halo army set. I didn't do a video review on that one because I totally forgot to do a video review on that one. But if I buy some more sets, like some pieces as I go on, like, then I'll let you guys know. But other than that, I'll see you in this video. So, peace out.